All right, we're moving on to a concept called minors and cofactors. And you know me, I'm quite honest with you. I've never seen this on an SAT or ACT, but we're going to do it in Precalc to cover it. If an A is a square matrix, the minor M sub ij of the entry A sub ij is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting the ith row in the jth column of A. Let's talk about what that means. Okay, if I'm looking at example 2, we're still continuing the lesson in 7-7. We need to find the minors and the cofactors. So what they do is they say, hey, in this row right here, we're going to cancel out and we're going to figure out what number goes here. And the way that we're going to do that is we're just going to use a determinant. 1 times -1, 0 times 2, and we subtract those. Well, 1 times -1 is -1 minus 0, and that gives us a -1. So what I'm going to do to find the minors is I'm going to put -1 there. So to find the first row, second column, I'm going to cancel out everything here, and now I'm going to use these numbers. This times the 3, 1 times 3, and 4 times 2. So we have 3 minus 8, which gives us a -5. And I love the iPad because I can do this quite seamlessly. I can circle and do this and say, oh yeah, 0 minus a -4 is a +4. And then I could just take my little eraser and erase everything. You don't have that luxury when you're doing pencil and paper. So let's continue on with the minors. I'm going to find this number here, cancel out these and these. So I have 2 minus 0, which is a 2. Yep, I'll take the time to erase. And then I'm going to find this, cancel. I have 0 minus 4, which is -4. Erase. Cancel. We're looking for this. So here and here, 0 minus 8 is -8. Erase. We're looking for the row 3, column 1. Cross them out. I have 4 minus a -1, which is 5. And here, cross out. 0 minus 3, which is -3. Erase. And the last one that I'm going to find is here, so I'm going to cancel out here and here. 0 minus 6 is a -6. So to find the minors, we have to do that little determinant in every little area. And then we're going to learn the sign patterns for cofactors. So I'm going to write that right here. Oh, I might have it written in my notes. I do. Sign patterns for cofactors. Notice it always starts with a plus sign. In every other one, we have a plus or a minus. So we have pluses for the 3 by 3 and the minuses here. Oops, meant to change colors here. Okay, and then we have pluses for the 4 by 4 and the negatives minus every other one. So in order to find the cofactors, I actually have to take the minors and I have to go ahead and find the cofactors from the minors. So let me write that pattern up here. That pattern was plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now that's not saying it has to be positive. They're saying, so I'm going to put the cofactors right here. They're saying that these, I should do it in yellow, these are all going to stay the same because they're the same with the plus sign. So I'm going to have a -1, a +4, -4, 5, and -6. Those will not change. Now all the other ones that I'm underlining in a dark green-blue color, I guess it's dark blue, we're going to change the sign. So this will be now a positive 5, a negative 2, a positive 8, and a positive 3. So minors and cofactors are very, very similar. And we could use the minors and cofactors. Well, we have to use the minors to find the cofactors. And that's how we get them.